So we'll make him, okay, Chandra, keep.
See, I tell you, Chandra, as far as they are concerned, it's a very so in the next now today's Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, yesterday you have done the practice.
Actually, no, sir. We didn't get that recording.
Okay, fine. So today we will see the APP. So APP means
సార్ ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ సార్
చెప్పండి.
లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు కొంచెం దాని గురించి బ్రీఫ్ గా చెప్తారా కొంచెం ముందు
అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా కదా కాన్సెప్ట్ అని మీకు సిస్టంలోనే.
ఓకే ఓకే
సో definitions yes Ankita.
Sir, actually, yesterday I was absent.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
We know that.
Uh,
Yeah, Mahesh will share the recordings to you, okay? You can go with it.
okay.
Okay. So, and here we don't have any type of definitions, guys. Okay. So I will share the practically itself. You can understand what is the process.
Sir, can we get notes, this stepwise notes? Actually, I am trying to write the notes, but I have to see the recordings and then I write it. But it's not.
So first of all, you have to writing the steps, right? First of all, you have to write the steps. So you're not
Yes.
doing that one.
So your voice is breaking, sir.
So you're not writing any notes.
No, I am writing.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So confirm will able to see my screen or not? Will able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we are discussing about APP. APP stands for Automatic Payment Program. So yesterday we seen that we are once we cleared the amount in F-53, we issued the check, right? Right, guys? We configure the host bank and we issue the check. That is the manual payments, manual check issue. So there is a manual payment. We are doing that one. So there is a second type of payment, that is the APP. One is the manual. So what is a manual? Yesterday we had done F-43, okay, invoice tracing, clearing F-53 we had cleared, right? Invoice cleared we had. This is a manual clearing. So we can do one by one. Okay, in manual we can do one stage is clear. Again we are going for one by one. So it will take time, right? If you clear going the invoices, if you're clearing the invoice one to one, it will take their time. So then what we have to do, we have one more option, that is the APP, Automatic Payment Program. Here what happening, every month then we have the regular payments, right? Every month we have some regular payments. So I want to clear the regular payments at a time. Instead of going to one by one, I want to clear the payments at a time. Okay. So for that purpose, we are using for APP. Okay, you can clear the payments whether it's 100 or 200 or 1 any payments, you can clear the automatic payments using the APP. Any doubts here?
సార్ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తారా?
Okay. Yesterday in accounts payable and last session, Ankita, last session we are with the accounts payable, right? We see the accounts payable. In that, we are raised invoice and F-43. We cleared the invoice, F-53, we have cleared the invoice, right?
Sir, what is this F-43, F-53?
Yesterday is this Ankita,
It's
Pranati?
Actually, I asked the question, sir.
Pranati.
Yes, sir.
Pranati, yesterday we see, right, invoice raising, F-43, accounts
Yes.
payable. And then after that, we are clearing the amount in F-53.
Hmm.
Okay, this is the manual payments.
Okay.
Okay, F-43, you are raising the invoice. In F-53, you are clearing the invoice. It is in manual process.
Hmm.
But if it is 100 of invoices we have, okay, 100 payments you have to do.
Hmm.
Then every time you are going to clearing F-53, you're posting you're clearing using for F-53. It is difficult, right? 100 times you have to do same thing.
Yes.
Okay, if you want to clear the invoices, 100 invoices, so you're going with F-53 code. Here you have to do 100 times. It's a wasting of time. So then what we have to do? We have to do there is one more thing. This is called as a APP. Here you can clear at a time n number of invoices. Okay, in APP, automatically within fraction of minutes, you are going to clear n number of invoices. Clear?
Yes.
So yeah, how to do this one? For this, we need to configure two things. One is FBZP. For APP, we are using two transaction codes. One is FBZP and one is F110. Okay. With the help of these two transaction codes, we are going to clear the invoices for APP. Okay. So then let's go to the system, how to do that one.
Sir, both F-43 and F-53 are for raising invoices,
F-40 for raising the invoice.
and F-53
F-53 is a clearing the invoice.
clearing the invoice.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, could you please start the recording?
Oh, it's not so bad.
యాక్చువల్గా నిన్న రికార్డింగ్ కూడా 1 మినిటే ఉంది అని అన్నారు మహేష్ సార్. గ్రూప్లో పెట్టారు.
Okay. చూద్దాం ఒకసారి things.
ఓకే.
Okay. So now go to the transaction code FBZP. Enter. Okay. First, go to the create house bank. House bank, nothing but the operations going for the company. So what are the company using the banks? Okay. So company are using some banks, right? SBI Bank, ICICI Bank for payments and receipts, everything, right? So that's called bank's name's calling as a house bank. So go to the house bank. Okay, give me a company code. What is the company code? Our MAAP. So yesterday already we created this one. Again, I go to create one more bank. If you can utilize this bank. Otherwise, you can create new banks. So for that, go to the new entries. Give me the bank name. I'm making the HDFC. Country IN, India. Bank key, give me any digits. HDFC, I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on the address. If your receipt is not selected, then click on the create button here. Bank name, HDFC, region. I'm giving the Andhra Pradesh. Telangana is not there here. street, city, Hyderabad, bank branch, main branch. Shift code, when you're receiving for international payments, you can give the shift code. Okay, it's not, otherwise it's not required here. Okay. Save it. Double click on bank accounts. Give me a company code. New entries. Account ID. HDFC. Description. HDFC Bank. For MAP. Bank account number. If you have any alternate number, bank account number, you can give me alternate, otherwise just not required. Give me a GL, bank GL. So okay.
ఇప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నామా సార్ మనం?
అవునండి.
ఓకే.
Now system is asking here bank GL. So go to the GL account FS00. So instead of creating, just I'm copying this ISA bank. Copy. So 1 lakh 2 assets. HDFC Bank. Control data. Everything fine. Here you have to click the relevant cash flow and save it. Okay, give me here bank GL. HDFC, country, IN, enter, currency, INR, enter, and save. Yes. Okay, bank account is created. Now go back. Next, second step is just write down the steps on your notes if you have the notes. Second step, go with all company codes, new entries. Give me a company code. What is our company code? MAP. So sending company code. We are not doing any payments, right? Sorry, we are not getting any payments from the customers. We have to pay the payments. So go to the paying company code. Give me a company code. We are paying to car vendors, right? What are the purchases made? We are paying for that. So give me a paying company code. So coming to the vendors, here go with the F, down payment request. If any down payments, F. Okay, give me the FIK. Means F stands for down payments request. A stands for down payments on current assets. I for intangible asset down payments. Okay, give me the FIA and save it. Second step is completed. Next step, third step is the paying company codes. New entries. Who is the paying? Paying is our company code, right? MAP is a paying company code. Minimum amount for incoming payments. If any incoming payments are coming from customer someone, then give me minimum amount. Minimum amount for outgoing payment. So what is the minimum amount you are going to allow to clear the invoices? So I'm going to allowing that 100 rupees. If less than 100 rupees, system not allowed to clear the payments. If it is more than 100, system is going to clear the payments to the vendors. Okay, this is the difference. Then click on the forms. From the payment advice, go to the drop down. Germany, payment advice note. Okay, go to the Germany and click on the payment advice note. Okay, then, so what this means, let me show you. Keep the cursor and click on the forms. Okay. Go to the utilities. What will be content? What is a form means? If you want to see that, then go to the here. Utilities, printing test. Give me the output device LP01. Click on print preview. Okay, this is a format. Your advice is going to the vendor. It is going to print out. Okay, it's a default. Okay, if you want any information, if you want the payment as sample, like about the vendor details, everything, then you're talking to your web team to develop the print like this. Okay, this is called payment advice. So we are following a payment advice. If the developer is developing some programming, like how the customers wants a payment advice, vendor wants, how the payment advice we are generating, this the done by the developers, then the what is that program code is giving, it is coming here. Got it? Any doubts here? Hello? Okay. So the silence will be the understand. Then EDA completing sheet form F110 EDA 01. Okay. After this, save it. Back. This one is over. So next, payment methods in country. So what type of payments we're doing? We're payment check payments, right? So double click on check. Okay, payment will see description of check payments. So this is using for payments, you're using for outgoing payments. This is the check payment. Okay, and there is you see the document type for payment ZP, document type for clearing for document type ZV. Okay, in F-53, what is the document there? So while clearing the invoices, we are using for F-53. So what is the document type there? KZ. But here you are seeing the ZV. So why it will comes here? Because you have to identify whether when you're seeing the balance, you have to identify the invoice is cleared by the APP. Okay, the invoice is cleared by the APP. So that way there is a differences by document clearing. And if you click on any one of these one, so then system, when you issuing the check, when you are running the APP, system will check that if anything is required. If you click on the bank details, then system will check that you have provided the bank details or not. If you're not provided, then check the payment will be not released. You get the error. So if you want to click, if I click here street account, street post box number, then I have to provide the information in the house bank details. When I am going to create the house bank, you have to provide the details. Then if the details is there, then system is clear the invoice. Otherwise, it will you get the error. So I'm not confident which I've given there. So I'm not taking any one here. Clear anything here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then don't do anything here. Everything same. Save it. Okay. And for this document of a payment, so you have to create the number ranges. Okay. Where you have to create the number ranges? It's Diago. Financial accounting. Document images. So company code. Okay, let me see what is the number again. No. So what is the document number? Document there? ZP and ZV. Go to the ZV clearing document. Double click on here. So what is the number range here? 20. Number range information. Give me a company code. Change intervals. Insert intervals. What is the number there? 20. 2026. 400 to 499. Enter and save. Clear? So I create a document number ranges and save it. Back. Next, payment methods in company code. New entries. Give me a company code. MAAB. So what is the payment method using? Check, right? So take the check payment. C stands for check. Minimum amount. So minimum amount I'm giving 100 and maximum amount we have in the accounts. So I'm giving the 6 times. This is a max amount. Okay, go to the form data. If you want allow the foreign currencies, foreign payments, then click on this or the checkbox. Okay, if you want to allow the foreign payments. Next, in the SAP script, go to the Germany. Not this one. Okay, here just write down this. F110 underscore renum underscore CHCK. Enter and save.
So what is the script? SAP script. Yeah.
These are forms. Previously shown, right? Payment advice script.
Whatever.
These are forms. You see that. Okay. Let me see. Keep the cursor. Form. Utilities. Print test. So like this. Okay. These are called script forms. And this is advice when you are giving the when you are sending to the vendors. The payment is clear. Some advice that like we had to settle these items listed below, which is unclosed check for payment. Subject the goods and services supplied to, and the invoices therefore being in order. Okay, here we are writing the message to custom vendors. So we are settled the payments and which is services, goods and services provided by us. So and we are attaching the check with that. Okay, this is a note. Okay.
Okay. Means here we
Clear?
can directly contact with the vendors and write the notes.
No. You got invoice, right? For example, you got invoice of 10,000 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. They separate some material to you. The cost of the material is 10,000 rupees.
Yes.
So and you have cleared the amount for that. Okay, you have cleared the amount and you are sending the check to them.
Yes.
Okay, you're sending a check, and along the check you're sending the note that we are cleared the invoice. Okay, we are enclosing the check, and what are the goods and services we cleared the payment. Okay, so this information you are getting from the client side. Okay, so then what you have to talk to the developers. Okay, talk to the developers and ask them to generate this type of a document.
Okay.
Okay, then whatever the document they're giving some code with the some code like similarly like this. So the code will be attaching here. Okay, whatever the program is developed by the ABAP team, so the program is attaching here. Then only it will come you.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Then clear about this one script, SAP script, and save it. Data already saved. So paying company was completed. Then go to the bank determination. So search a company code. Okay, double clicks, double click on, okay, select your company code, click on ranking order, new entries. Okay, new entries. What is the payment method we have selected there? Get the payment method check. What is the currency we are using? INR. Ranking order 1. First, I'm giving the ICICI Bank. Okay, others just take the, okay, HDFC. Next, C, currency INR.
So what is in
Ranking
the
order.
ranking order?
Yes, I'll explain 1 minute. Okay, ICICI Bank. Okay, just give me a few minutes. I'll explain what is this. Okay,
Okay.
save it. Just remember, ranking order 1 is for HDFC, ranking order 2 for ICICI Bank. Okay, then go to the bank accounts, new entries. So what is the house bank first one given? HDFC. So just can you see anything here? It came by the about the ranking orders, right? It came like ranking orders. First I given the HDFC, second I given the ICICI Bank. Let's see. Payment method, C, currency INR, account ID, bank account GL, sub account is GL, bank GL. Okay, and save. Here I am creating according to the ranking order, which I given there. Available amounts, new entries. For house bank, HDFC, house bank, ICICI, account ID will be automatically comes because already we have created this one. So days, give me 3 names. Currency, INR. So now for the HDFC Bank, I am giving here availability available for outgoing amounts. So I am giving the 1 lakh rupees. Okay, I can clear the amounts less than 1 lakh. Here for ICICI Bank, I'm giving the 2 lakhs. So if 1 lakh is, if you once you get the invoice more than 1 lakh, okay, I here ranking orders, I mentioned that HDFC is the first one. Second preference is ICICI Bank. If the once you got invoices more than 1 lakh, Okay, 1,20,000. Then system will check first. System will check from here. How much available amount from here? Okay, if it is not there, amount is not there, then it coming to automatical to here. So this is the ranking orders. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, why you use the means 999 days?
999 days.
Yes.
Instead of giving 1,000 days, just I give it 999s. You can give me 365, it's not a problem. Okay,
Okay.
clear, right?
So can we use 23, 53 days?
23, 53 means it's not coming 1 year, right? After 23 days, again you have to do.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Save it.
Sir,
Yes,
uh, in previous step, you use
banking accounts.
yeah, yeah. Here, the payment method you use is check. It's through check.
Y-
If yeah,
Yes,
if we do payment through RTGS or NEFT, then
you can use
uh,
here T, bank
yes,
transfer.
yes,
Okay, you can use the bank transfer. So where you have to do before here coming to here. Okay, I will show that. Just let me complete this one. Okay,
okay,
then value date, new entries, payment method C, house bank, HFC, ICICI bank, account, HDFC, amount limited. So 1 lakh. That's currency, INR. Okay, let's enter and save it. So now your question is the C. So in payments method country code, if you are using for bank transfer, okay. So you see the bank transfer. Okay.
yes,
Previously, what we done for the check for payment method C, you clicked on the check mark, right? We have the check
yes,
here. For bank transfer, you have to select the bank transfer.
okay,
Everything same. Okay. Change the payment method, whatever the payment they required, and give me the bank transfer and click on the bank transfer. Okay. Otherwise, you can use the bank transfer here. Payment and company code. Instead of payment method C, you can give me here payment method T.
okay,
Okay. Everything same then. Just only have to do here changes. Payment method and company code. Okay. After that, bank determination, whatever the what are the way I'm keeping the C, you can put it as a T. Okay. Here ranking order, I mentioned the C, right? You mentioned the T. If it is bank transfer, mention here T. Bank accounts. Here also you can make change as a instead of C, you have to give the T. Okay, everywhere. Where I given the C, you have to mention the bank transfer like as a T.
okay. So this one
Okay.
and two ranking orders are the standard order
Not a
or
standard. Not a standard. You can, for example,
randomly?
yes, randomly you can give that. For
Okay,
example, when you're working the client systems projects, so clients given that first bank, my preference first is HFC bank, like as ICICI bank. He said his preference is ICICI bank. Okay, so you
okay,
can do that. ICICI bank is the first preference ranking or is a one. Then you'll give the second preference HFC bank like that. Different banks, not only ICICI, but they're using some State Bank of India. Okay, someone using so the okay. You can give the based on the references you just
okay,
okay. This is an order standards. Okay.
okay,
So So customer information, what he told me, Ravi, instead of clearing one-to-one invoices, I want to clear the 100 invoices at a time. This is our customer requirement, right? So, and what I had to do, customers told me that, Ravi, and once the amount is cleared, I have to send a letter to my customer, to vendor. That is, amount is cleared and we are issuing the check with the so and so amount and the date. This is the advice they want with a white paper note, right? Printout. So customers told me like that one information. This is our requirement. So based on the requirement, we have configured the payment method, everything. Clear? Any doubts here? This is our customer requirement, right? So for as per the customer, so we have to take the from him information. What are the banks you have? Okay, what is your first preference bank, second preference bank? What is the preferences I have to put there? So you have to collect that from the client. Okay, and here no, you don't go with your own or like you can't go with your own decisions. Okay, when going for configuration with the client side, you are not allowed to go with own decisions. Okay, you have to talk to the clients, customers, and you have to implement here. Clear? Any doubts here? Hello?
Yes, sir, no doubt.
Okay, fine. So bank determination we're done. House bank first step we are done. So simple like just come down to FBZP T code. First do the house bank creation, then company code, second, third, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after completion of the steps, then now we are going to clear running the APP. So before run the APP, let's check any invoices is available or not. Okay, so how to check the invoices? Go to the FBL1N, all items, or just go with open items, execute. There is a one invoice is pending. Okay. Otherwise, enter the some invoices. How to post the invoice? F-43. Give me a date. Account is the vendor. Okay, and before doing this one, just go to the vendors XK02. So because we have to assign the house bank to our vendor. Okay, we have to assign house bank to vendor. So how to assign? Go to the XK02. 01 for creation, 02 for changes. Okay, general data. If you want to change any address, anything, just go with here. Click on that one, then it will show the address change. You can change the addresses. If you want to change any company code information, this is a financial information, FI information. This is a purchase order information. So I'm selecting payment information and enter. Give me the vendor, it says vendor details. Okay, yes, system is asking me payment methods. So what is the payment method we are doing? We are paying the check, right? Okay. And what is house bank? Give me a house bank. HDFC and save it. Only you have to do the changes to things. Save. So otherwise, do once and create one more vendor instead of changing. Just come down to XK01. Give me the account group here. So what is our account group? It's starting with some M. Hard disk for MAP. This is our vendor account group. These are our account groups. So I'm taking first one. Enter. Title is a company. Name. Heritage. Heritage is my vendor. And city, I'm giving the city, Hyderabad. Country, IN. Region 01 AP. Press enter. Customer details, we don't have anything here. Bank accounts not required. These are not required. Reconciliation account. So syndicators. Cash management group, A1. Domestic payments. Short key 012. Enter. Payment terms 0001. Okay. Here we are giving the payment method C. House bank, HFC. Enter and save it. So vendor is created. Now post the invoice for this vendor. How to post? /n f-43. Invoice posting. Document date. Heritage. Just now we are created with heritage. Enter. Amount 10,000 rupees. Text. APP purpose. Posting key 40. Account, what is it? We are purchasing the material, right? Double click on material. Enter. Store. Text. Place. Save. So the invoice is ready now. Now go to the APP run for the /n f110 is a T code. Enter. So here run date. So run date means when you are running the APP. Okay. So today I'm running the APP. So give me the today's date. So 28/07/2026. So give me identification. So identification nothing but anything you have to do. Anything you can do. So I'm giving that my company code map. So click on parameters. Okay. 07/2026. Okay. 28/07/2026. Click on parameters. Okay, in the year, in company code, give me a company code. So what is the company code? MAP. What is the payment method? Our payment method will be the C, check payment. Select, click on left arrow. Okay. Next payment date. So I'm giving 29/07/2026. So now it is important, guys. Here I given the 28 and 29. So until tomorrow, once I run the APP today, so until tomorrow, okay, until tomorrow 29, I can't, system is not allowed to, okay, allowed to run the APP with the same identification. Once I run the APP today, until tomorrow, system is not allowing me to run the APP. Okay, and the same identification. Not the run date, same identification system is not allowing me. So then what we do, if you want to run APP again with again second time, then change the identification. Instead of map, just give me any identification, then you can run the APP twice, thrice, twice, any number of times. Clear? Any doubts?
Okay, sir.
So what did I just say? Hello? Okay, let me
Hello.
say. So today I'm running the APP with the identification of APP, right? So today I run the APP, the payment is clear, everything is done. For practice purpose, everything is done. Again, sometime you want to do once again, right? So you want to do once again. Then what you have to do, just change the identification. Okay, change the identification, you can run the APP. So not a problem. But same identification, MAP, you call system is not allowed to you up 2 times, 3 times. Okay, with identification map, you can run only one time with the same identification. Okay.
So whatever date we take here, the next payment date, till that date, the system will not allow us.
Yes, only one time you can run the APP with the date from between 28 to 29.
Okay.
If you give the 30 here, if you give the 30, then until this 30, system is not allowed. Only one time you can run the APP.
Okay.
If you want run again, then change the identification here.
Okay. But sir, right now we are doing this for practice purpose. But what if we are doing it in the company? Then we can change it, the identification.
At the time you are running only one time. Every
Okay.
month then,
If
every
we
month then
did
you
any
are.
mistakes, sir?
Then I will show
Sir?
the how to delete. Yes. Hello. Yeah, Malika.
సార్ ఒకవేళ మనం ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్ చేసి ఉంటే సార్
అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, అది ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. అది సేమ్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ మీద మనం రెక్టిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు అది. ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే సేమ్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ మీద చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎర్రర్స్ రిజాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అది మనం.
ఓకే సార్.
బట్ ఒకసారి వన్స్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ is successful, then you can't able to run the same identification.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. 29.07.2026. Okay. So give the vendor name. Here you see this is the from and to. So from where to where you have to clear the payments. Okay. So I'm giving this heritage. Okay. Once you're done, so once you're done, click on additional log. So click on due date check. Click on payment method selection in all cases. Give me the vendor here. So what is the vendor number? Okay, give me the vendor number here. And saved. Okay, what is the message? Details have been set for the run 28/7/2026. Click on the status. Message you got, payment parameters have been entered. Then click on the proposal button. Click on start immediately. Okay. So proposal is running. Payment proposal has been created. Then click on same again, second time, proposal. Click on OK. Now you see the green color, right?
ఎస్ సార్.
If it is a green color, then the payment going to be cleared. Okay. If you see the red color, any changes, then there is some issue. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Then save it. Back. And after that, click on the payment run. Click on start immediately. Okay. So payment run is ready to be started. So what is the message here? Payment run has been carried out. Postings are one is generated, one is completed. Means we are cleared the only one entry. System is a clear the one entry. So let me check with that. How to check? Go to the FBL 1N. This is the vendor, right? Open items. No. Go to the all items, execute. It is a create with the ZP. So where did you see this ZP? In FB ZP, when you're creating the bank, paying company codes, we given for ZP, right? For ZP, we create the document number is 400. Okay, this is automatic. Like this, you can clear n number of entries at a time. Okay, this is the APP. And this is important, guys. Interview, when you're going for interview, they will mostly concentrating on APP. Okay, once you are yes,
ఇప్పుడు ఏపీపీ ఓన్లీ వన్ టైమే యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అని అన్నారు కదా! డేట్ ఈ రోజు నుంచి రేపటి వరకు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు.
అవును.
ఇప్పుడు మరి ఎన్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎంట్రీస్ ఎలా చేయొచ్చు సార్ మరి?
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మేము వెండర్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా.
వెండర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చా?
ఒక్క నిమిషం. సో పారామీటర్స్ లో ఇక్కడ వెండర్ ఉంది, వెండర్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అండ్ టు అని ఇస్తాం ఇక్కడ. సో ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి వరకు ఇవ్వాలి క్రియేట్ చేయాలి మనం.
ఓకే. అన్ని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది అన్నట్ట?
అన్ని యాక్సెప్ట్ అంటే ఫ్రమ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I want clear the vendor invoices from 1 lakh to 1000 to 1099. So 1000 vendors I want to clear. Okay, 1000 invoices. So what I'm doing here, I'm giving here 1000 to 1099 here.
ఓకే.
Okay, then total invoice will be here. Okay, let me show something. Okay, duplicate a couple of vendors. Okay, I configured two vendors now. Let me post the invoices F-43. Okay, one page is created. Push it references 107. Changing the vendor. Test 1. I want to change the amount. 1000. Overview. Change this one. Overview. Perfect. Save. Okay. 108.
అంటే నిన్న ప్రొసీజర్, ఈ రోజు ప్రొసీజర్‌కి అంటే మల్టిపుల్ వెండర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా సార్? అదేనా డిఫరెన్స్?
ఇప్పుడు మీరు అడిగారు కదా ఇట్లా వెండర్స్ ఎలా చేస్తామని, అక్కడ మల్టిపుల్ వెండర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు
ఆ!
ఓకే చూపిస్తాను.
హ్మ్.
One. So we raised the three invoices. One is for Heritage, 10,000 rupees. Second, 70,000 test one, 1,000 rupees. Test two is the vendor, 500 rupees. So we have the three vendors now, right?
హ్మ్.
So now I'm going to clear these invoices with the help of the APP.
ఓకే.
Now I'm going to the APP. Here this is APP. Change the identification. Running date same. I'm changing the identification. Because with the same identification, I can't run APP tomorrow, up to tomorrow. So I'm changing the identification MAP. Enter.
ఓకే. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ 2 మెథడ్స్.
Yeah. Same, everything same.
హ్మ్.
Okay. How I said previously, APP, they both are same. No, there is no differences. Okay. Parameters, company code, payment method C, everything same.
ఓకే.
Here I'm giving for vendor from Heritage 2, test 2. Okay, now I'm going to clear 3 invoices for 3 vendors. Okay, enter additional log, due date check, payment method. So vendors from. One lakh 16. $18. Okay, from and to. Save it. Status. Parameters have been entered. Proposal. Start immediately. Okay. Proposal has been created. Then edit proposal. Okay. 3 clear marks. So 3 invoices going to be clear. Okay.
ఇప్పుడు మాన్యుయల్‌కి, ఆటోమేటిక్‌కి అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి సార్?
Manual, you can one by one you have to go clear.
ఓకే.
One to one you have to clear. But automatic APP, only one step. Yeah, I'm going to clear 3 invoices at a time.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Okay. So it is a green color. Yes. Who is that? Okay. It is a green color everything. Then you can clear the invoices. Save. Back. Okay. Click on payment run. Start immediately. Execute. So what is the message? Posting orders 3 generated, 3 completed. Okay, these are clear. Just go to the FBL 1A. Okay, give me from heritage. All items, execute. Okay, these are 10,000 rupees. Just now we are cleared 401 with the ZP. Right? It is a clear 402.
Hmm.
403. So automatically document number also generated. Okay. At a time, we clear the 3 invoices. Like APP, you can clear n number of invoices at a time.
Okay.
Okay.
సో రియల్ టైమ్‌లో ఏపీపీ వాడతామా సార్ మనం?
Hello. Hi, Malika. What happened?
I think సార్ వెళ్ళిపోయినట్టున్నాడు. నాకు సార్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నట్టు జాయిన్ అయినట్టు లేదు.
Sorry, Malika. Actually, I don't understand what you are saying.
Actually, Ravi sir has left the room, I think so. Like, left the meeting.
Okay, okay, okay.
హలో ప్రణతి.
హలో.
మీకు ఎస్టర్డే క్లాస్ అర్థమైందా?
యాక్చువల్‌గా అదే నాకు కొంచెం చాలా కన్‌ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉండే. నాది బీకామ్ బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్ కాదనమాట. సో,
ఓకే.
ఇంకా డౌట్స్. ఇంకా అది
సో
రికార్డింగ్ గూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి.
లేదు కదా! సో మనం ఇవాళ రిపీట్ చేయమని అడుగుదామా?
లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ సార్ లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారు కదా! గ్రూప్‌లో మెసేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు చూడండి. అంటే టుమారో కంటిన్యూ చేసిన క్లాసు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అంటాననేసి.
బట్ ఎస్టర్డే క్లాస్ లేకుండా ఇవాళ క్లాస్ కంటిన్యూ చేయడం అంటే కష్టం అనుకుంటున్నా.
బట్ సార్ వచ్చేసి అలా మెసేజ్ చేశారు. బట్ సార్ అయితే జాయిన్ అవ్వరు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్.
అదే మహేష్ సార్ ఏమో నిన్న రికార్డింగ్ 1 మినిటే ఉంది అని జెప్పాడు.
అవునవును.
రికార్డ్ అవ్వలేదా మరేంటో తెలీదు. సో, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్ జేయాలో అర్థం గావట్లేదు.
నేనైతే నేనైతే ఎస్టర్డే క్లాస్‌కే జాయిన్ అయ్యలే. అంటే అయ్యలేదు. నాకి అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నా. బట్ మీరు ఇద్దరు అంటే మెసేజ్ చేశారు కదా! రికార్డింగ్ క్లాస్ కావాలి అనని.
యాక్చువల్‌గా మేము నిన్ననే అడిగాము.
ఓకే.
సార్ మాకు రికార్డింగ్ పెడితే మేము చెప్తామనేసి. సార్ డౌట్స్ ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా అన్నారు.
ఓకే.
అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన తర్వాత చెప్తాము అని చెప్పాము. బట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దామంటే ఫస్ట్ లేదు. వీడియో లేదు.
బట్ సార్ అయితే గ్రూప్‌లో మెసేజ్ చేశారు. అంటే ఇంకా
అంటే రేపు క్లాస్ లేదని చెప్తున్నాడా? టుమారో వి హావ్
లేదు.
లేదు. ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం
టుమారో వి ప్లాన్ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టీస్. నో క్లాస్.
నో
అంటే
క్లాస్.
ఈరోజు క్లాస్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకంటే 9:20 ఏమో అవుతుంది.
9:17 నౌ టైమ్.
ఆ!
అదే అంటే రేపు క్లాస్ లేదు. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి అని చెప్తున్నాడు గానీ, అది రికార్డింగ్ లేదుగా. అదే నిన్న చాలా కన్‌ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉండే నాకు గూడా. మీకు అర్థమైందా కంప్లీట్‌గా?
నాకు కొంచెం అర్థమైనట్లే ఉంది. కానీ నాకు ఇంకోసారి వీడియో ఉంటే నేను అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే నాకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుందనిపించింది.
ఐ థింక్ సార్ జాయిన్ కారేమో ఎగ్జిట్ అయ్యేదా?
అవును.
అవ్వరు అనుకుంటా.
హ్మ్. సో నేను కూడా లీవ్ అయిపోతున్నాను.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
అందరికి బాయ్.